Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making a sweet onion dressing. This is a sweet and tangy dressing that's also going to be great for a sauce on top of sandwiches and stuff like that. It's going to be made with some wonderful caramelized onions. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 2 sweet white Vidalia onions sliced thin and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to start heating up our 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to go in with our onions. And we're going to saute these over a medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. We're going to stir them occasionally. Our onions have taken on a beautiful color. They smell amazing. We're going to turn off the heat. We're going to set these aside and let them cool. And we're going to head back to the cutting board and start working on the dressing. And for the rest of our dressing, we are going to need 1 cup of a neutral oil, like a vegetable oil. We're also going to need half a cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, salt and pepper to taste. We're going to also need about a teaspoon of sugar. Now the sweetness depends on you. I recommend starting with about half a teaspoon and working your way up. And we're also going to need about a teaspoon of water just to thin it out to your preference. And all we're going to have to do is take our caramelized onions and the rest of our ingredients. We're going to put this in a hand mixer or a stand mixer and blend it up till it's nice and smooth. And there we have it. It's just about done. It's the right consistency we're looking for. Let's get a little taste to adjust the seasoning. A little bit of salt and pepper. And that will be it. And now to serve this, all we're going to do is pour this into our dressing craft. I'm going to make myself a little salad and we'll get a taste. Alright, let's dig in. Have a nice fresh salad from the garden here with our sweet onion dressing. Oh, it's so good. It's creamy, it's sweet, it's tangy. This is a fantastic salad dressing that goes great during the summertime. You can even use it as a sauce on a sandwich. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.